In our previous video, we learned how to make this craft flower. But after learning, many people wanted to know how to attach this flower on the shoe like this. So that's what we are going to do today. So first, when you have this flower already done, you need straps like this one. You need 1, 2, 3 straps. So when you have these straps, now you have your design. So all you need is the carpet, what we call carpet or lining, and the inner sole. So let's begin. First, I will start with my straps. I already prepared the leather for where I'm going to get my straps. They are small straps, so you don't need you don't need big leather, or you don't need much materials. You just need a small material to make the straps. So here I have my straps already prepared. All I need is cutting and measuring. So I'll begin with cutting the straps here. So I cut this one long. I need to divide it because the straps are short.